Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Unbox the Pixel 7a and remove all packaging carefully before powering it on. Press the right side power button and follow on-screen language prompts. Connect to a secure Wi-Fi network to save mobile data and sign in with your Google account. Use the quick switch adapter to transfer apps, messages, contacts, and photos from your old device. Set up Face Unlock or create a strong PIN for immediate security. Install system updates when prompted to ensure the phone runs the latest fixes. Navigate the 6.1" display with a smooth 90 Hz refresh for fluid scrolling across apps. Customize the home screen with widgets, folders, and a 2 to 3 app dock layout. Use the 64MP main sensor to capture detailed daytime photos and switch to night sight for low-light shots. Access Google Assistant by squeezing or saying "Hey Google" to get hands-free help quickly. Enable Adaptive Battery and Battery Saver to extend runtime across a full day of mixed use. Open the Pixel Security Hub to check safety and review app permissions easily. Keep safety updates on and install security patches as they arrive for ongoing protection. Backup photos, contacts, and device settings automatically to Google One to prevent data loss. Manage location and microphone access per app to protect your privacy day to day. Clean the screen gently with a microfiber cloth and use a protective case to avoid drops and scratches.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.